guys, it's Ariana Bibieska. If you're new here, welcome. I talk all about stocks, real estate, and just entrepreneurship in general. In today's video, I had you guys ask me some questions on Instagram. Yeah, I'll be answering them. I will also be going over how much I make and like what I spend my money on. Stay till this time. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, check out my Instagram, and then here are all my other socials. I have 2 Discords, so go join that. Over 500 Discord members. That's crazy, bro. That's insanely crazy. And then for the other Discord, that's not my Discord, but that's someone that reached out to me. It's a really good Discord though. They have like hella members. They have thousands of members. It's a great community. You learn so much from them. I'm also on the Webull influencer program, so if you want 4 free stocks, just follow the directions listed. And also, if you're interested in having me guide you through the entire stock market investing and cryptocurrency investing process, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. I would love to schedule a Zoom call with you. That'll be it for the intro though. Let's get started. There's a lot of questions, so like I don't know if I'll get through them all. I mean, it's not like a lot, but it is a lot for one video. I'm thinking about making like an all about me video and like, you know, show you guys my family and stuff like that, and like, you know, go into detail about how I started this whole entrepreneurship stuff. What are the risks of trading? Stick to your research, you know? I think that's the hardest part for many people when it comes to the stock market or just cryptocurrency as well. Like, they don't stick to their research. If you initially went in the play with a specific sell point and a specific buy point in mind, then stick to that. Don't let your emotions get to you. Don't let the greed get to you. What was the hardest part about learning stocks for you? Hardest part was probably I didn't know what to learn about. Like, I don't know what to search up. I don't know what material to cover. And by the time this video is uploaded, I'll have my website up. My website will include a stock market and cryptocurrency checklist, and in that checklist it'll go over everything you have to learn in order to get started investing. And you know, it's just one of those things I wish I would have bought when I started investing. And you guys, it's not going to be a lot of money. It's only going to be $10, and if you buy both it's $15. But that's definitely something that would have been helpful for me, at least in my investing journey. Since I got this platform, that's what I've been trying to do, just trying to put myself in your guys' point of view, or like trying to remember what my journey was and put myself in your guys' point of view and see what would have been beneficial for me and what would be beneficial for you guys. Yeah, I came up with that checklist thing, and it's just for those that, you know, want to do it more independently. And then I also did my Zoom meetings, but that's a whole nother thing, you know. That's where we both hop on Zoom together. What made you start your whole entrepreneur journey? I don't know. As a little girl, I guess I always had it in me. I've always been like a really energetic and, you know, stubborn. I'm really stubborn when it comes to what I want. I feel like I'm not closed-minded. It's definitely difficult to convince me if you don't have a good presentation, I guess. If you suck at persuading, you most likely will not persuade me. I guess when I was working too, it just made me realize, like, bro, you have to start this. Like, I've always wanted to be my own boss and stuff like that, but when I started working, it felt like I was stuck and people would treat me really bad, my coworkers. I really took that as a sign to stop playing around and just press the gas. I felt like I was 30 years old by working there, or I don't know, I felt like I was in a midlife crisis, I guess. That's basically why I started in this whole entrepreneurship stuff. I was just unhappy with my life, and I'm like, you know, I deserve better than this. What inspires you, and what's the biggest challenge you've faced in life? My past self. Until I started going to middle school, that's when I really changed. I was a lot more scared to do stuff, but before all that, I was always the type to just go out and do stuff. I had an instance during my middle school years and my somewhat beginning of high school years where I was scared to do literally everything. I didn't believe in myself the way I used to, and you know, I was able to get out of that recently, a year ago. That's when I started everything, this whole entrepreneurship stuff. My past self really inspires me because I just always went out and did stuff. I started a YouTube channel when I was little. Oh my gosh, if you guys want a video on me reacting to my old YouTube videos and like little kid videos, let me know. I would even vlog and like sing and play Animal Jam and Movie Star Planet, and it was just a lot. But yeah, I was, in my opinion, I was really successful with YouTube, at least when I was 8 or 10 years old. I only had like 500 subscribers, but the views were good. I don't know. I was little. That was a lot to me. Hardest part I've been through is just that phase right there in middle school to like high school. There was just way more people to me, way more guys to me, and a lot of those guys were not how guys are in middle school. And I met a guy. We dated from 8th grade all the way to sophomore year. I broke up with him December 31st, 2019. New Year's Eve, I broke up with him. He was just a lot. He was really toxic and manipulative, and he would really bring down my self-esteem. I had a lot of love for him. Like, that was my first love, I guess. I'm happy that I got out of it and I'm doing better now. He didn't really affect me. What hurt me the most was that he affected my entire family, my entire friend group, and of course me as well. He was a bad guy. Even though he may still try to come up in my life every now and then, I've learned to just numb it, just get him out somehow, some way. Hey yo, what are your top 5 songs? Okay guys, I'm hella obsessed with music. I feel like I have the best music taste in the world. As of right now, my favorite songs are The Pessimist by J. Cole and Well, No One Knows by Brent Faiyaz, Nothing's Into Somethings by Drake, Gold Roses by Drake and Rick Ross. Dude, I freaking love that duo, Drake and Rick Ross. That's perfection right there. Devil in a New Dress by Kanye. That's 4. That's 4. One more. Is it 4? Or is it? Dude, there's so many good songs though. Whatever, I'll just say hella songs because I also really like Nice for What by Drake, Wednesday Night Interlude by Drake, and Party Next Door. If you had to choose a different path from entrepreneurship, what would you choose? I would not choose another path. That's it. Dream car. Okay. Maserati GT and a Range Rover. And then for my first car, I want to have an Accord Coupe. Skincare routine. Bro, my skin is so bad right now because I was using this like... Look at how bad my skin is right now. I was using a really bad product. Hold on, bear back. I was using this. I do not recommend this product. Do not buy this. This will break you out like crazy. I have pimples all over here, all over here, all over here, all over here. Like it's horrible. And I never get pimples right here. I never get pimples right here. I never get pimples right here. If anything, I probably get some right here, but I haven't gotten some in so long because I freaking love this one. This one right here. This one will clear up all your blackheads on your forehead and all around everywhere basically. This is the Paula's Choice salicylic acid exfoliate. Can I focus? Yeah, I love this one. So first thing I do is I go ahead and wash my face with this one. I recently started using this because my other cleanser, Target doesn't sell my other cleanser anymore, I guess, so I use this now. I used to use the Neutrogena Sensitive Skin Orange Bar Soap, and I've been using that since like 6th grade. The Orange Bar Soap by Neutrogena is just super gentle. I needed a little more. I use this one. This is the Neutrogena Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This is for extra dry skin. I do the sunscreen. So this is the only sunscreen that doesn't break me out, because I don't know why, but sunscreens always break me out. But yeah, this is the Face 50 by Sunbum, and you can find everything here you can find on Target except for this one. This one you have to go to polishchoice.com. Do not get this though. This is also at Target. Do not get it. If anyone wants it, let me know. I'm just kidding. So the question is, what do your siblings want to do in the future, and do you guide them towards entrepreneurship? What do you want to do in the future?
I don't know. Just like a type of doctor maybe.
Yeah, she really likes skincare, and she wants to be she said that she wants to be a dermatologist, but yeah, she's still young. She's 12. And as in for entrepreneurship, do I guide you through entrepreneurship?
Sometimes a little bit.
Like, what do I do?
You just have random talks about me, like talks with me about stocks and money.
Yeah, sometimes I just talk to her about stuff that I learned. What does your family do for a living? My parents work at warehouses. Yeah, so both my parents are warehouse workers. Your favorite snacks? Lucky Charms. Advice to 13-year-old Ari. I would tell her, just keep doing what you're doing. Everything will fall into place. Honestly, I wouldn't want anything to like disrupt my entire progress, because everything I've been through, it has made me to who I am today. You know, everything, every little detail, every second of my day shapes me into who I will be tomorrow. I wouldn't want to tell her nothing other than keep doing what you're doing. Advice to anyone that wants to get started in entrepreneurship: bro, just start. You'll figure it out. Entrepreneurship isn't something that you can like learn from someone else. I mean, obviously you can have mentors and people can guide you through everything, but if you don't take action, you're not gonna learn anything. It's just one of those things that a degree can't teach you, that nobody else can teach you. You have to teach yourself. Like I said, yes, mentorships are really beneficial, but you have to take action. You'll figure it out along the way. An entrepreneur adapts. They just continue adapting. What was your first job? My first job was Jersey Mike's. Yeah, my sandwiches. Are you remote or in-person learning, and which do you like better? I am online learning. I like online or remote learning better because, you know, I can just be doing my own stuff while on Zoom. Because usually what I would do is I would wake up exactly at 8 when my first class started, and then around like 8:30 to 9 I would record a TikTok while in class, and then I would get it uploaded before 10 a.m. So there's two similar questions. One of them is how much do you earn monthly, and another one is how much have you made as a teen so far. So let's go ahead and answer that right now. I'm gonna show my computer. Okay, so here you guys go. This is the month of May, and this is the spreadsheet I use to manage all my money, like all my expenses and all the money coming in. If you guys want to access this, for my third or second YouTube video, I actually explained how I manage my money with this spreadsheet. So if you guys are interested in using this method, I highly recommend it. It has helped me save up a lot of money, invest a lot of money, and just keep my unnecessary expenses at a very low amount. I'll also put the link to this in the description, so you guys can just make a copy of it. So you go here and then you go ahead and make a copy. Every single month I pay $30 for a phone, but I had already paid it. I don't know why, but I guess I paid like, oh wait, no. So I paid my dad cash and I forgot to take out like $6, and he's like, it's okay, it doesn't matter. So then yeah, every month I pay $30 for phone, and every month I put $250 in my business savings account and $100 in my emergency fund. But I guess this month I put $103. I don't know why, but yeah. And then I did my statement of info, which is something for the Secretary of State. It has to do with my LLC. It was $20. And then I got a camera. I got a camera plus an SD card. So that was $633. I actually got it on sale, so that was awesome. And then I bought a PO box, which was $226. Shopify domain. I had to pay my annual LLC tax fee, so that's $900 every year. Wait, 900? Why did I put 900? Isn't it 800? That's weird. I'm pretty sure it's 800. Okay then. And then I bought dropshipping products so I can advertise them. And then for reselling, I resold something, and wait, why did I put this here? I did not spend money on this. This is weird. Okay, it's because I sold this jeans. I sold some jeans for someone and I took it out of my money. I don't think was I supposed to put that? I'm not sure. Whatever. And then I bought a contract that I saw on YouTube. So yeah. And then for my investments, this month I did not invest a lot just because of this. This really kicked me in the butt. So yeah, I only invested about $700. And then for wants, I actually did not spend a lot for my wants. Usually I like to break it into 50, 40, 10. And for 10% of 4,000, that would have been like $400. And I actually only spent $162 on wants. So I got my mom a Mother's Day gift. I got some Starbucks. I went to Chick-fil-A and I bought myself some jewelry. So yeah, that's that's what I did to treat myself. And here is how much I made and how much I spent and how much I had left. So this one will go towards June. And I started off the month with my checkings and business savings and emergency savings looking like this. So as you can see here, I was saving up for that annual LLC tax. Wait, that's weird. Why did I put 900? Is it actually 900? Did I for real pay them 900? I'm pretty sure it's 800. Whatever. I'll double check right now. But yeah, that's my money for all you pocket watching motherfuckers. There you guys go. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if I didn't get to your question. It was just a lot and I do not have enough time to just record a 30-minute long video, but I'll make an all about me video soon. I have to talk to my parents about it so they can be on it too. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Have a blessed day.